This video will help you perform dimensional analysis or unit conversion involving units raised to a certain power. Supposing you have these conversion factors, 1 foot is equal to 12 inches and 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. From what you have learned from the previous videos, you can write these conversion factors in fractional form. 1 foot over 12 inches, or 12 inches over 1 foot, and 1 inch over 2.54 centimeters, or 2.54 centimeters over 1 inch. Now, let's say you are asked to convert 3.72 square feet to square centimeters. To do this calculation, you have to write the given number, 3.72 square feet, and multiply this with the conversion factor with feet at the denominator side. So, times 12 inches over 1 foot. But here, the units won't cancel out since you have square feet on the given number and foot on the conversion factor. So, you have to square the entire conversion factor so the units will match. So, this will become square inches at the top and square feet at the bottom. And you can now cancel square feet. Then, multiply this with the correct conversion factor so you can eventually convert this to square centimeters. So, times 2.54 centimeters at the top and 1 inch at the bottom, and then square the conversion factor so you can cancel square inches. Mathematically, this should be 3.72 times 12 squared divided by 1 squared times 2.54 squared over 1 squared. This gives us 3,456 square centimeters, or 3.46 times 10 to the third square centimeters.